Hello, artists.
Hey, Angelica Players!
Welcome to the Angelica Players Living Room Theater, an online theater camp that brings workshops and coachings from our living room to yours. My name is Kesa Curry, and I am the director of the Angelica Players. Our mission is to bring youth theater programming to children who don't have access to performing arts. Right now, that's all of us, so I'm really excited to make some theater with you.
So, let's get started.
Something that's really exciting about theater and playwriting and storytelling is the characters that you write about can be really different from you.
Yes! Yes! You can keep working on this tap. You can even make up your own moves, continuing the dance.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You can imagine a lot of different emotions that your puppet is experiencing. Really get really creative. There's a lot of opportunities of different things you could do.
You can't stop the beat ever since this whole world began. A woman find a bitch, she shook up, she could shake up a man. So I'm gonna shake and shimmy all the best that I can today.
Boom, let's do it. Let's do it from the top, right? From the top, from the top. You scared? Not me. You scared? Me neither. Let's do it. Let's do it.
This week, I want to empower you to keep making theater even when you're alone. I encourage you to rise to the occasion, try new things, take risks, take responsibility, get silly, and beyond anything else, have fun making your own art.
Hi, my name is Natalia, and today I'm going to tell 2 stories. I did it! Guess what I did? Splatter! There's been wrong on the floor!
We are so lucky because as artists, we have the power to make theater whenever and wherever we want. Even our living rooms.
I can be anything. I wanna be it.
You can jam however you like.
Have you heard the phrase, "the world is my oyster"? You can really do whatever you want because it's your forest that you're creating.
Try not to be too excessively loud, but I know that's all part of the fun.
Ah! And you did it! You did it! You did it! You did it!
You guys did amazing! Yay!
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
And finally, from my living room to yours, let's make some theater.